Let's have a little bit more of a detailed look into data grids. So using our previous example in the navigation overview video, let's just have a look at the maintain purchase order screen, and we set up a specific filter just to show us the Queensland view on this particular data grid. If we don't like that view anymore and we want to delete it, we just simply hover over the tab, right click the mouse and delete that current view, and it's gone. So you can quite easily add and delete views at will. To show a little bit more power of this and areas where it may be of value, let's say we want to have a look at all the purchase orders we've raised for a particular supplier, in this instance say AMX. So let's apply a filter to our supplier column and say filter out and show me everything that's equal to AMX Oz, don't match the case, and say OK, and there's all of our AMX Australia's orders that we've raised. Next, we may want to apply another filter to this and say I want to see all of the orders that we've had that were over, say, a particular dollar value, say $10,000. So we can apply another filter and we can highlight and say show me everything that is greater than a value of, let's say, $10,000, and show it to me in, say, red. And we say OK, and what it's done now is it's filtered this column and it's made every order over that particular value that we said red. So as you can see, we can apply filters on filters, which makes things pretty powerful and enables users to customize these data grids to see exactly what they're interested in seeing. And just like before, we can save this particular view, we can save as, and we can call it AMX orders national over let's say 10,000. Okay, and it's given us a tab, and there it is. So pretty powerful feature. One final thing about data grids I'd like to mention is that it's quite easy to actually manipulate the order that the columns are in by simply selecting and dragging them to whichever location you want. So you can say have the supplier over here, you can have the order date first, and you can have the total in the middle. So it's quite easy to drag the various columns around to suit your preference. It's probably advisable to stick with the default view, which you can restore by pushing the Restore Columns button in the Data Grid Views box, and that brings it all back to normal again. So there's a little bit more information on how to apply various filters and to manipulate the data in the data grids. Thank you.